Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Grup saya adalah backtrack Linux. Nama ahli kemudahan saya Nurul Izzati Muasfi 1039, Nurul Idrina Syar Rizam 1002, saya Muhammad Faiz bin Hamdun 1078, Muhammad Arif Muhammad Zamri 1060. We have choose backtrack Linux for the problem-based task. Backtrack is lightweight Linux distribution. Question 1. Create new user. We have create name as key. This is here. We create key. You see. But we can log in as key because this backtrack Linux distribution mode is single user only. This is root. We set new password UK. In addition, in backtrack we not have to use sudo command also because it's running in root environment. Then we then create new directory and subdirectory name osos. Same one as pgt path dfn 3113 and create one file name as pgt.txt and pgt.txt1.txt outside the source directory, and then move that file into the osos. Create and rename all three files, like 1, like 2, and like 3 to quiz 1, quiz 2, and quiz 3. Lastly, remove fn313 directory and its content using single line command. First, mkdir submit dash ch1 ch2 ch3, then mkdir dfn 3113, then touch ppt, then move ppt to move ppt also, move like 1 quiz, then move like 1 quiz, move like 2 to quiz 2, move like 3 to quiz 3, and then remove the fn. Then question 2, using vi editor in new director name oss, create new file Linux text. Okay, we create Linux text in vi mkdir ls oss. We show the oss that we create Linux as produced. Then select and copy the word kernel and paste in x. This x, and copy the kernel and paste to the x. Insert creator of Linux in last sentence, and b, we put the Linux creator of Linux at the last sentence. Delete all defined component of Linux is Linux kernel. We delete all. Then insert sentence the free software. Telling the description D. Add the sentence the free experiment. The free over the free comment that. Question 3. Apply the correct to amend the output from apple.txt. First we create this file. We using cat. Without open the file, using cat apple, then type the file add into file, then using tsc apple.txt. we take C for dia terbalikkan dari bawah ke atas, dia akan baca dari bawah ke atas. Then head, dia akan baca line 3 dari atas. And then last detail entry. Detail entry dia akan baca dari bawah. Okay. Cat, dan masukkan cat, masukkan apple is the best without open the file. Cat, anak arrow ke kanan 2 kali, apple tree, dan dia masuk. Okay, question 4, complete the task below and capture screenshot. Add user nama Alice, we create the Alice, and set user shall be. Then we create group class 1 and class 2. Define R222. Yes, we create group at G 222 class 1 and class 2. Then user mode class 1 Alice. D change Alice home directory location home. D change SUC change home to directory location. Log Alice for 1st November 2007. Okay, user mode LE 2017 11 and 01 Alice. We will log Alice password. And question 5. Question 5, user want to create file method. User create directory permission below user memory method. Default value 644, default value for directory 755. With user and first add user, add student, and add lecturer. Create student, create user, and create lecturer. First, user can open, edit. Lecturer also can open, edit. Student can read only. For this question, we use 644 stage mode. 664. It will user can edit, lecturer also can edit, but student can read only. Then user can edit executed file, lecturer can read only, student can open and edit. So this we use 364 for this question. Stage mode 364. Alright, you must user can open and add file, lecturer can open only, student can open the file folder. So we use 310. Okay, question 6. Root privilege user. Create new user and grant privilege. We create your new name new user and type is sudo. We keluar benda ni, yang kat bawah ni tulis my new user. Set grant as a thing for user privilege. And last, delete the user. Delete del user, nama kita punya user. Okay, next question 7. State the function of you must comment and check the current. You must is a command that determine the setting of a must that control how file permission are set for newly created file. It also may refer to function that set the mask, or it may refer to the mask itself, which is normally known as file mode creation mask. The mask is grouping of bits each with restrict how its corresponding permission is set for newly created file. The bits in the mask will change by the invoking the unmask umask command. That's function of umask. Then question 8. Set default permission for newly created my. Then we create my file, touch my file, ls. This is default rw rr. Then the question is to have read write user well. Then the answer is rw r and w rw dash r dash 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 w dash. So chmod c42 my file, ls my file. That's the answer. Then b, to have read permission and to write user no permission for other. So rw dash dash rw dash 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 dash. So using chmod 620 my file, ls dash l my file. The answer. And C, to have read write permission for the user group and other. rw dash and rw dash chmod 666 my file, ls dash l my file. This is answer. Then question 9, set default permission for newly create folder name my folder, mkdir my folder, ls dash l my folder, ls dash l. This is default permission for folder directory. And then to have read write exclusive permission for the user and no permission for group and write execute for others. So using rw dash 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 ws for the folder, chmod 703 my folder, ls dash l. This is the answer. rws dash ws. Then b, to have read write execute permission for the user group and other, using rws and rws 777 my folder, ls dash l. This is the answer my folder. As a junior network engineering, required to planning the remote or administration unit. First, install open SSH with apt get install open SSH server. Okay, done to install. Then configure open SSH keygen trcl. Let me display the keygen. Then remote access Ubuntu from PC. Remote desktop. Key in the IP address and username. That's all. Thank you. And this is our group backtrack 5. Thank you.